Welcome to Course 4, Foundation, Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP, course, by SPAO Academy. Topic 2, Global Supply Chain Networks, Section 6, Supply Chain Technology Applications, Lesson 3, Smart Logistics Solutions. Smart Logistics Solutions. Welcome to Lesson 3. In the previous lesson, we discussed the various software applications that help us see and plan supply chains. Now, we will explore the physical and digital tools that make logistics smart. We will look at how technology is transforming the movement and storage of goods. Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define smart logistics and its core components. Explain how Internet of Things, IoT, devices track shipments in real time. Describe the role of automated guided vehicles, AGVs, and robotics in warehousing. Understand the basics of how a warehouse management system, WMS, controls operations. Identify the benefits of using these technologies for efficiency and accuracy. 1. What is smart logistics? Definition. Smart logistics refers to the use of advanced technologies like the Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics to make the movement of goods more automated, efficient, and transparent. The goal? Moving from reactive logistics, fixing problems after they happen, to predictive logistics, preventing problems before they happen. 2. Key technologies in smart logistics. Internet of Things, IoT, and telematics. Concept: physical devices, sensors, GPS trackers, attached to packages, pallets, or trucks that send data over the internet. Application: imagine a shipment of vaccines. An IoT sensor can transmit the exact location and, crucially, the temperature inside the container in real time. If the temperature rises, the system sends an alert immediately. Warehouse robotics and automation. Automated guided vehicles, AGVs. These are mobile robots that follow marked lines or wires on the warehouse floor to move heavy goods from point A to point B without a human driver. Automated storage and retrieval systems, ARS. Large robotic cranes that can automatically put away incoming goods or fetch items for shipping, saving space and time. Warehouse management systems, WMS, function. This is the software, brain, of the warehouse. It tells the robots where to go, directs human workers to the right shelf, often using voice or scanner headsets, and optimizes how inventory is stored. Example: a WMS might direct a worker to put a fast-selling item near the packing station to reduce walking time. 3. The impact of smart solutions. Real-time visibility. Knowing exactly where an item is, anywhere in the world, at any time. Increased efficiency. Robots and automation can work 24/7, dramatically speeding up processes like packing and sorting. Improved accuracy. Automated scanning and robotic put away reduce human errors in order fulfillment. Predictive maintenance. Sensors on trucks can predict when an engine part is about to fail, allowing the company to fix it before it breaks down on a delivery route. Knowledge check. Pause and think about these questions before moving to the summary. How does an IoT sensor differ from a standard barcode? What is the main advantage of using an AGV compared to a human-driven forklift? If a customer wants to know the exact temperature their chocolate shipment experienced during transit, which smart solution made that possible? Summary. In this lesson, we explored how technology is modernizing logistics. We learned that smart logistics relies on IoT sensors for visibility, robotics and AGVs for automation, and a WMS to orchestrate it all. These tools work together to create a supply chain that is faster, more accurate, and more responsive than ever before. Looking ahead, in the next section, we will look at how data from these smart solutions is used for strategic decision-making. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today. If you want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your like means the world to us and helps this channel grow so we can continue bringing you great content. Thanks again, and see you on the next video.